Hey guys, welcome to ATT and this is HTML video series. Here in this episode, we will talk about HTML and why you should learn it. If you're already familiar with HTML, so skip to the second video. So enough introduction, let's talk about HTML. So what is HTML? Everything we see on the web, all the websites are only possible because of HTML. And let's take an example. You know about Facebook, a social networking site developed by the help of HTML. The backend is developed with the help of PHP, but the front end is in HTML. Google, another. Microsoft. And if you visit to any of the website, you're watching videos on YouTube, is also developed with the help of HTML. Backend is in Python, but the front end is in HTML. And why we should learn it? You know, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's really important. Let's talk about some histories about HTML. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee invented www. In 1991, Tim Berners-Lee invented HTML. And in 2014, W3C recommended HTML5, and in 2016, W3C candidate recommendation HTML 5.1. So the latest HTML is HTML 5.1, and here in this video series we will talk only about HTML and HTML 5.1 language. So I hope this video find helpful to you. Until then, bye bye.